Hi everybody, it's Christina Quick, the Tarot Biz Mentor here from the Profitable Psychic Divination and Business Academy. Welcome to another video. We are continuing on in our series of mediumship. So today I want to talk about what the difference between a psychic and a psychic medium is. Because there's a lot of confusion about this and it's really quite simple. But first, let's just kind of step back a moment and just reiterate what the psychic clairs are really quickly. In later videos I'll go more in depth about what the clairs are and how you can kind of experience them and develop them. But we have 8 clairs, yes, 8. Clairvoyance, which is psychic seeing; clairaudience, psychic hearing; clairsentience, psychic sensing; clairempathy, which is psychic feeling; clairalience, psychic smelling; claircognizance, psychic knowing; clairtangency, psychic tasting, or clairtangency, psychic touching, excuse me, or psychometry, right? Clairgustance and psychic tasting. Okay, that's a lot, right? It's a lot to deal with. So if you're psychic, you probably have at least one or more of those psychic abilities. But where psychics and mediums here's what you really have to remember about this. All mediums are psychic, but not all psychics are mediums, okay? So that can be a lot of confusion for a lot of people, especially if they in our world or work in the psychic profession. It can be very confusing. And it's part of, our responsibility as professional psychics to kind of figure out what we can and can't do, and to be able to explain that properly, and to know, what are our abilities and what can we call that, right? So labels are helpful in this case in a way that it kind of says, okay, this is what I can do versus what I can't do, right? And so where psychics and mediums really differ is that the psychic information is coming from a different place. It's not interpreted in a different place. It just comes from a different place. So psychics interpret intuitive information through their clairs, right? Through their psychic abilities, their extrasensory abilities, like seeing spirits or hearing spirits, or that sort of thing. And mediums have all of these capabilities. They have all of these abilities, same skill set, right? It's just that mediums also receive psychic information from spirits and entities. So whereas a psychic might receive information from like the person that they're reading for, like their aura, or tarot cards, or just doing like meditative type of readings where they're just going into this trance-like state and just reading the person based on their own process. Mediums also do the same exact thing that psychics do. However, they have the added bonus of being able to also receive and send information to spirits and entities, carnate entities and incarnate entities. I mean, that's the core difference, all right? Whether you talk to deceased people or not doesn't necessarily make you a medium. If you do talk to deceased people, you are a medium. But if you don't talk to deceased people, you still could be a medium. Do you talk to angels? Do you talk to spirit guides? Do you talk to extraterrestrials? Do you talk to fairies? Do you talk to helping spirits or land spirits? If you talk to and receive information from intelligent, vibrational beings, then you are a medium. So mediums are just psychics that can actually speak to spirits. And that's why they're called mediums, because they are a connector between the world of the living, the physical reality, the world of matter, right? And the world of pure energy. They can go between those dimensions and talk to those different types of entities that live within those dimensions, right? So if you can send information to spirits and you can get information from spirits, then chances are you are not just a psychic, but you are a a psychic medium. Okay, so remember, all mediums are psychic, but not all psychics are mediums. And if you are curious about whether you are a medium or not, check out this video. I'll link it down in the description box below, and I'll put it up in the upper corner here for 5 signs that you are a psychic medium. I will see you in the next video. Bye.